Okay, what I want to do is solve this second problem here and talk about how I'm going to solve it. So let's start by noting the things I needed to know first to get my estimate. So the method or heuristic I actually used here was guess and check. So my guess is that since I get 3 candies for catching, 1 candy for freeing, and then 1 for each time you evolve, I'm actually going to ignore to start with. And then I know I need 12 for the first evolution and 50 for the second. So I need 12 plus 50, which is 62. And I get basically 4 for each Pokemon I catch. So 4 goes into 6 once, leaves me 2. 4 goes into 22 5 times, leave me 2. And then 2 fourths is a half. So my guess is that I'm going to need 16 Pidgeys. Now, if I had to give my answer right away, I would guess 16 because that's as good as it gets. But I need to do the check part of guess and check. So I've got my guess. My guess is that I need 16 Pidgeys. The way I'm going to check is I'm actually going to make a new note here and just go through the steps. So let's start with a column for number of Pokemon, and then candies for catching, candies for releasing, and then I'm going to keep a running total. So my goal is just to do this straightforward. I know it can't be less than 16. It can't be less than 15 and a half Pidgeys because I need that many candies. So if I can get it to be 16, I know I'll be right. So if I catch 1 Pokemon, 1 Pidgey, that'll give me 3 candies. I let it go. That gives me a candy. I'm at 4. So if I catch another one, gives me 3 candies. I let it go. I'm at 8. And then another one, still only gives me 3 candies. And 1 for releasing. It gets me to 12. Now I could evolve at this point, but I don't have a Pidgey, so I'm going to keep going. So let's catch this one. Gives me 3. I'm going to evolve this one. So I'm not going to let it go. Will give me up to 15, and then evolving costs 12 for the first time, which brings me down to 3, and then I get 1 for evolving it, so now I'm at 4. So I've caught 4 Pidgeys, and I've evolved this one once, so that's one I'm going to keep. I'm going to evolve that one again when I get to enough candies. So at 5, I'll get 3 and 1. That'll get me up to, I was at 4, so 8, 6, 3 and 1, 12, 7, 3 and 1, 16, 8, 3 and 1, 20, 9, 3 and 1, 24. Now, before I lose myself, I have to check. Okay, I need 50 candies for the second evolution. This is going good so far. So now I need to move my page up. So at 10, I'll get 3, let it go for 28, 11, 3, let it go for 32, 12, 3, let it go for 36, 13, 3, let it go for 40, 14, 3, let it go for 44, 15, 3, let it go for 48, and then 16, 3, I can let that one go as well, which would get me up to 52. And then I can evolve this one that I did up here again, which will cost me 50 candies, bringing me down to 2, and then plus 1 for evolving. So I'll actually have 3 candies after I'm done with this, but I know that I couldn't do it with less than 16 because of my guess, my estimation using the math at the beginning, and it works with exactly 16, so that's gotta be it.